come check out this place. I'm telling you. Yo, I wouldn't even vex if I come back and it was ram one day. I'd just happy them say them up the business and just try catch them on them slower days.
Yeah, I was just saying, like, sometimes you work hard and you're like, is anybody listening? Right? Is anybody like, we're putting out content, is anyone paying attention? And you're like, you know what, it's not for like free stuff, it's not for like sponsorships. Like, yeah, that is the hope that, you know, we can get to that. But it's also like that, like, you know, mama came out and was like, thank you. And it was like, yo, all we're doing is highlighting our favorite spots because we're looking for our favorite spots to make this our home, right? So yeah, we're being slightly selfish by like, yo, we just trying to find like what's good to us, but it's also like we're doing it for others.